Starting a business with a limited budget requires careful planning and creativity. Choose a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and available resources. Research your target market to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Outline your business goals, strategies, target audience, pricing, and marketing approach. Choose a unique and memorable name for your business. Create simple branding elements. Leverage your existing skills and resources to kickstart your business. Use what you already have instead of buying new equipment or tools. Establish an online presence through social media platforms and a basic website. Leverage your personal and professional networks to spread the word about your business. Start small by offering a focused range of products or services. Utilize low-cost or free marketing strategies to promote your business. Launch your business and gather feedback from your initial customers. Set competitive and reasonable prices that reflect the value you provide. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build positive relationships with your clients. Reinvest profits into expanding your offerings, improving your website, and enhancing your marketing efforts. Take advantage of free online resources, courses, and workshops to continuously improve your skills and business knowledge.